In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable continuity camera on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to enable the continuity camera option on our iPhone. To do this, you want to go into the settings application, and then you want to scroll down and you want to click into the general settings. From here, you want to click into AirPlay and the handoff setting. And from here, you just want to make sure continuity camera has been toggled on, just like this. Now this has been enabled, we can use our iPhone as our webcam on our Mac. So now we are back on the Mac, we need to go ahead and open an application that will use our webcam. So in this case, I'm going to use FaceTime as an example. Once FaceTime has been opened up, you notice that the webcam is currently being used on my Mac, and you can tell because the quality isn't very good. So to use our iPhone as our webcam, you want to head over to the video setting in the hotbar at the top, and then you want to click on the iPhone camera. Once you've selected the iPhone camera, you'll hear a chime on your iPhone, and as you can see, I am now using the back camera of my iPhone. So I can go ahead and place this where the webcam is on my Mac, and you'll notice the quality is so much better. Now I do recommend getting an iPhone mount so you can mount it to your Mac, and I will leave a link in the description below to an iPhone mount. Now what's really good about this is that if you click on the FaceTime icon in the hotbar, you get some settings which you can play around with here, such as studio light and portrait mode. Now if you want to disconnect your iPhone from your Mac, you just want to head back over to the video options in the hotbar, and you just want to click on the FaceTime HD camera. And as you can see, the camera has now changed back to my Mac. You can also click on the big disconnect button on your iPhone if you want to. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.